Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. Cool song here from Hardy. It's called Truck Bed. Alright, so we'll combine one melody here with a strumming pattern, and that's what's going on. Only 3 chord, guys, and we'll skip the capo here for this one. So 3 chords, let's take a look at them. Starting with D minor. Alright, so that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. We'll go with the A sharp here, the sus version. So that's a bar chord placed on the first fret, and you bar all strings except from the last E here in the bass, so 5 strings from bottom up, and then you need to add third on D and third on G. Alright, and then we have the final chord here, the F, and that's a bar chord as well. Now you bar all strings here on the first fret, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. So D minor, A sharp, and then the F. That's what's going on. All right, so we'll take a look at the melody first here, chord by chord, and then the strumming. So we'll start with the D minor. The first part of it goes like this. Okay, so that is open D, second G, and third D. Okay, then we go to the A sharp. Here you can just stay with the third D there, so stick with that, don't lift it off when you have played it from the D. Stay with that, and then add the first fret on the A. Then comes the third D again, so that's the reason for staying there. And then play the open G. So it's pretty convenient here to go like this. All right, and then we have the F left here for the first round. We have this of 2 rounds. All right, so the F goes, that's the first F. So you're gonna play first fret E, then third A, then back to first E, then third A again, and then again third A, and fourth A. And that ends the first round. Then we'll play the same chords again, now a little bit different, but the D and the A sharp is still played in the same way. So nothing changes there, just this final F now. This would be a little bit tricky. This is the hardest part of the song. Not that hard if you practice a couple times, but yeah, still a little bit harder than the rest. And it goes like this. Okay, so that is first on the E string, then third A, then second G, then first B, then comes this a little bit faster part there. It's third B, first B, second G, and first B. That ends the melody here, the F on the second round. And it goes like this, round and round. So you play these 2 rounds all over again. And you can play that through the entire song, or you can go with the strumming. All right, so we'll look at that now. So I'm gonna take you through this D minor, A, and F. It's a little bit different here. We can just give you one strumming pattern here because the rhythm flips it off a little bit like this. I will explain. So let's go with the D minor and start with that chord. So the first D minor here goes. Okay, so it's the down, down, up, clap. Okay, and then you quickly change to the A sharp and play just up, down. Okay, and then you even quicker switch to F and play up. And then a short pause, and then you play down, up, clap, up, down, up. That is 1 round. All right, so a little bit tricky there to get the rhythm right, but I'm gonna explain for you again here. So D minor, down, down, up, clap, then A sharp, up, down, and then F, up, down, up, clap, up, down, up. So me playing a little bit slower without speaking, it goes like this. A couple of rounds with this slower tempo, it goes. And in standard tempo, something like this. Alright, so there you have two different ways of playing Hardy's Truck Bed. Nice song, and you can switch both between the strumming here and the melody. Good luck with this one, guys, and until next time, play tuned.